Start a sketch on the top plane. Draw a polygon with the center at the origin of the coordinates. To fully define the sketch, select the vertex plus control plus origin of coordinates and apply the vertical relation. Draw a circle. Apply extruded base for a height of 1.5 millimeters. We will smooth the nut through a manually designed chamfer in the side view. Draw an isosceles triangle and define its dimensions. To automate future modifications, select the two sides of the triangle and establish the equal relation, so if we modify the value of the dimension, the change will be made on both sides. Apply mirror to draw the same triangle on the other side of the dashed line, and we will have a vertical line for the next operation. To make a circular cut, apply revolved cut. Select the vertical line as its axis and confirm the operation. Proceed to make the thread by clicking on Insert, Features, Thread. Select the start and the end to design the thread. Define the metric according to the plan. As we want to generate solid and not cut it, select Extruded Thread. To complete the thread across the entire surface, edit the operation and apply an offset. To solve imperfections, make a sketch in the elevation view and two freehand rectangles. Finally, in the cut operation, in direction 1, select the option Through All Both. Great! To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck.